Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Tim Stanovic, along with Carol Masser. With us is Bloomberg News equities reporter Alexandra Semenova. Alex, what are you watching?
We, of course, guys, have to start with Oracle because you just mentioned that headline flashing across the Bloomberg terminal of a Wall Street Journal report that says that Oracle, Andreessen Horowitz, and Silver Lake are poised to control TikTok in the U.S. Obviously, this is big news, when there was so much at stake with this deal. This follows news that negotiations over the future of the company are progressing, relieving some of that uncertainty over, some of the key customers in the U.S. President Trump had said that he's scheduled to speak to Chinese President Xi Jinping on Friday, and this was part of the discussions. He said that a framework to keep the app running in the U.S. was reached, and accordingly, the stock is up just a little bit right now, about 0.5%. It was up as much as 5.9% earlier in the day, but also have to mention that it has had an incredible run from its earnings report last week, where it really wowed investors with its guidance, and it's up 83% year to date.
It makes me wonder how this all fits together, because obviously some of this stuff was moving along, I guess we can kind of assume, and I guess they get the secret algorithm to TikTok, or do they not? We don't know.
It seems like it. We don't know. Again, all of this is just based on investor excitement because it was about that guidance when they missed their earnings. And now at this point, we don't really have any confirmation of how exactly they'll be involved. And yet investors seem pretty enthusiastic about it.
United Airline Holdings, just a quick line on that.
Yeah, we love a micro story that is a macro story. And here he is saying that travel demand is going up and it's showing that the economy is stronger than statistics show. He said that airline demand is a good real-time indicator and they're seeing a lot of people booking for the holiday season. But of course, one thing that he said that stood out to me is the front of the plane, the upper class seats
where Tim
are getting booked out much faster, than economy, which is again a testament to this bifurcation in the economy that we're seeing between higher and lower income consumers.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.